Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. If you guys see me in the same outfit, you guys know I sometimes film multiple videos and I said that so weird, multiple videos in one day. So yeah, that's why you might see me in the same thing. But before we get into this video, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button and then of course hit that bell to get notified because I'm always uploading new videos and you want to be notified. But let's get right into this video. So today I'm doing my Allure Beauty Box. This is actually for the month of June, but I just got it in the mail yesterday, July 1st. So shipping clearly took forever, but guys, I love Allure Beauty Box. It's totally worth it. When you first sign up, they usually have like a sign up deal for like $8 or $10. There will be a link down below, but yeah, they always give some kind of like free products when you're first signing up. They always give you deals. Like when I first signed up, I was able to get the Allure magazine for only, I think it was, I don't know, it was under $10 for the whole year, and I love getting it. I get the digital and I get the print in the mail, so I really love getting Allure Beauty Box. But yeah, let's see what's in here. So this comes first, which is like some little coupon codes for some workout stuff, some bathing suits. Welcome to the ultimate summer glow up. Of course, inside has that pretty pink packaging, hashtag Allure Beauty Box. And then the next thing is the little promo code inside, Allure Beauty Box, like kind of insider, like little magazine type thing. And it lets you know all the prices of everything inside, kind of talks about everything. It's really cool. I love getting this because I love knowing the prices. And then I also got a Babble bar. I've never tried their jewelry, but I've heard about it. Like, these are super cute. And it has a $20 gift coupon, so that's really cool. And it tells you like prices here of those. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So the first thing that is not inside the box is, which is what is back here. Obviously it's not the full size. This is the SGX NYC Salon Graphics, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray, Volume Refresh Hold, Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. So that's cool. Absorbs oil, soft hold. I love the packaging, super pretty. And does it have the price? Does it have the price? It does not have the price in here for that. But again, this is a sample size. This is obviously the bigger size here. The next thing, I am literally obsessed. Like, how cute is this neon green but clear bag? It's so cute. And this month, oh, it is ripped. Dang it. I've only had, oh, I love that it has the little slip though. Usually they have the buttons. That's so cute. I'm so sad. Usually they come broken, but if you just message them and let them know like, hey, my bag's broke, they usually send you a new one. So it's super cool. At least they fix the problem. But obviously the material, it's probably why it breaks pretty easy, and there's a lot of stuff in here. So I've had like maybe 1 or 2 bags that haven't been broke. Again, they'll send you a new one. But it's so pretty. I love it. This will be cute to just put like some little summer essentials in. So the next thing is the thermal spring water. Ooh, I'm excited for this because I love taking, like, I'll take my MAC charged water with me to the gym and just spritz my face, or when I'm out and I'm not wearing makeup for the day. It's so refreshing. So I'm glad to have a little water in here. So we are going to see the price. This is $18.50, and it looks like this is like the same full size, so it is $18.50. So that's what that looks like, and it is thermal spring water. The next thing we got, I'm not grabbing anything in particular order, is the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Ooh, I'm excited to try this again. Ooh, doesn't have a smell. It looks nice, so you guys can kind of see. I love that it's full size, you guys, and it is $35. That is amazing, and I've heard really good things about this, so I'm excited to try this. That alone, like, literally covers your box. So the box is like $15, so that's like way over the price. And the next thing, since it's right here on the page, which I'm so excited for, you guys know I love lip glosses, is the Floss. I've never heard of it. It's $16. This is what it looks like. My new favorite lip gloss. Ooh, I hope it is my new favorite lip gloss. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. The packaging is just so pretty. Look at this, you guys. I love it. This will be cute to just throw in your bag too, take with you. That's so cool. Ooh, it kind of smells like cupcakes. I'll just spread it out. I didn't want to put the lipstick on here, so I didn't want to mix it, but I want to try it out. Moisturizing. See, I didn't want that to happen. Now I'm gonna have to clean it off. Oh wow. I hate when, like, see how it does that? Like, it's now my lipstick's in there. I hate when that happens. Ugh. I definitely feel like I would buy this again because it's super cute. And I just like it. The packaging's pretty. I like the way it feels. It's not sticky at all. It feels very lightweight, even on top of this lip gloss. So definitely would buy that again. The next thing I got is Moroccan oil treatment. You guys know this is like a great brand. If you don't know, it's a great brand. So this is obviously, it looks like it's a sample size, but maybe not. It's $44. $44, guys. So yeah, that's that. Some oil for your hair, which love a good oil. And then the last but not least is the Brow Gal pencil medium brown, and I have one of the Brow Gal products. It's like the little like spoolie tinted one, and I didn't really care for that one because I felt like it was more of a cool tone and made my eyebrows look like a grayish tone. So I prefer a pencil, so hoping this one's good. And it comes with the sharpener on one end and the spoolie on the other, and this is $23, you guys. And I do have coupon codes, so for the pencil, the code is Allure19. If you want to pick up this pencil, I will put that on the screen. There is no code for this, so you could just get that at Sephora. For the thermal water, spring water spray, there is a code. It's Allure20, so that will be on here as well. For the floss lip gloss, there is a coupon Allure15, and it does have expiration dates on them, so get them ASAP. August 31st, September 30th is the furthest, and because, oh, and August 1st. Okay, so yep, there's a coupon code for the Context Eye Cream Allure25. So if you guys want to pick any of those up, but definitely, you guys, I give Allure Beauty Box a huge thumbs up. Obviously, the shipping took a while this time, and sometimes, again, like with the little broken thing, but no big. The products, I can't even speak. The products are what makes it all worth it for me, and they're always way over $16. And I have really found some products in here that I absolutely love now and have become a part of my regular makeup routine or regular skincare routine. So I really, really love Allure Beauty Box. I love it, like how I love IPSY. So I definitely give them a thumbs up. And yeah, check out that link down below if you guys want to pick it up and start getting Allure Beauty Box as well. Comment down below. Let's talk. I love talking with you guys. But that's it for this video. Bye.